My name is David, and this is Paracord Design. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the Convex Modified Paracord bracelet. What you'll need for this is about 9 feet of 2 colors of paracord. Your first one is going to be your core strand. Your second one is going to be your accent cord. The method I'm using for this one, I'm going to take my accent cord and run it up the middle like this. As you see where the black is, the accent cord will be used as the center, and the black will run down the sides. Other than that, what I'm using is a 5/8 inch buckle, and the jig I'm using it on is the Speedy Jig XL. And okay, let's get into this tutorial. First, you want to start whichever way you go from, it doesn't matter. You want to make a cross pattern as shown right here. If you can see it, there's like the cross and the X. You want to take your cord, you want to come over completely to the left side from the right and come up between cords 1 and 2. Then you pull your slack out on that. The first one may not look the same like the second, so when making this weave, this one is going to look a little bit different from the rest of it. Next, you do the same thing for the opposite side, crossing over, making an X pattern in the middle, pulling out the slack. Colors I'm using right now are Lava Flow and Black. You can purchase this over on tjparacord.com. I will also provide a link down in the description. Next, what you want to do, this is only a 2-strand weave. So this is a 4-strand weave with 2 colors. This is similar to my original design, the Convex Paracord bracelet. This is only a modified version. Next, what you want to do after you do your loop over and you make your teardrops to the left and to the right, you want to take your right cord and you want to loop it underneath the teardrop on the right side, staying on top of all the cords. And then coming down in between cords 2 and 3, and coming right back out between cords 3 and 4. Then you're going to repeat the process for the other side, doing the same thing. You go under the teardrop and down in between cords 2 and 3, and up between cords 1 and 2. Then you want to take your slack out, tightening it up, and then tightening up the black cords on there. The first one, like I said, might not look like the rest of the weave, but don't worry about it. That's just because it's the starting loop. Alright, and then that's done. And then you repeat the process. I'm going to do probably like 2 more passes and finish up from there. Always making sure you cross over. If you want to change it up every now and then, you could do like the X pattern. The cord on top can change left to right, but I prefer to keep doing from the right to the left. And then doing the same thing for the other one. Oops, I apologize. As you can see, like I said, keep making teardrops going from left to right, and then taking your black strand and coming from the inside, going to the outside, and then bringing it back over, down in between cords 2 and 3 and out between cords 3 and 4. It's a very simple weave. It's not much different from the original design. I just removed out one cord and so that this would be a better simplified version. And then tighten up your cords. You want to make sure they're all nice and tight. Pull your slack out. And continue on. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can get a better view. There we go. This one, like my previous design, basically does the same pattern at the bottom when you finish up the design. I will be doing a continuation video of this over on Instagram, probably like two more weaves towards the end, so that people could get an idea of how to close it off. As you can see, you have your cross pattern, and the overstrand is always going to the right. I'm going to do one more and then call it, end it there. I thought to myself, because I made one with the accent colors on the outside, might as well do one on the inside, because I think it looks pretty cool. Also, if you find this video, please follow me over on Instagram to see more tutorials there. And there you go. That is the Convex Modified Paracord bracelet. My name is David. Thank you, and have a nice day.